Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create awesome and creative transitions and effects using CapCut. So grab your clips, open CapCut, and let's get started. You can just open CapCut app and start a new project. Select a few clips that you want to edit together, maybe a vlog, a travel montage, or even a short cinematic scene. So in here, I've already added few clips to my CapCut timeline. So once your clips are on the timeline, you can trim them so they connect smoothly. So remember, the key to great transitions is timing. You can just trim the part to make it smoother. So the clips should flow naturally without awkward pauses or long gaps. Okay, now let's start adding transitions. You can just tap on the white box between two clips, this one. So CapCut gives you tons of built-in transition under categories like overlay, camera, or maybe blur. You can just try out a few and adjust duration for smoother motions. For example, in here, I'm going to just go with the trending one in here. So there's also AI transition apparently. You can add or generate AI transition. I'm going to just go with the trending one. Let's use the mix transition. Here I'm going to adjust the durations to 0.8 seconds. So it will become like this. And if your clips are fast paced, you can use shorter transitions, maybe for 0.3 to 0.5 seconds. You can also create manual transitions. So if you want something more custom and eye-catching, you can create the transition manually. You can just split the clips where you want the transitions to happen, and then you can just tap on animations in here. For the first clip, use the out animations, and for the next one, use the in animations. You can choose something like zoom, slide left, or spin. For example, in here, I'm going to add the slide. Slide down for this one, and for the in or the next clip, I'm going to use the slide up. So it will become like this. And next, you can make it pop with effects. You can tap on effects. Let's go back here, click on effects, and here you can explore categories like intro and outro, motion, slide, retro, and there's also the other category in here. So there are lots of options. You can add the effect to your clips and then adjust the intensity and durations for the best look. For example, for the intro in here, I'm going to add, let's say, the halo blur effect, and I'm going to make it shorter so it will look like this. And that's it. You've just learned how to make creative transition and effects in CapCut like a pro. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and also click on the thanks. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.